everyone. Let me just start by saying this is a very long overdue video. I've already posted many Instagram stories and Snapchat stories in regards to what happened when I decided that I wanted to create a PAX wardrobe to store all of my crafting supplies and make my planning slash crafting space a very happy, very girly space. So this is where it all started. I love me some IKEA. I am always trying to organize and rearrange stuff at home, but when I decided to start this project, I just had no idea how long it was going to take me to finish. I had seen so many options. I've seen some of these furnitures in some of my planner friends craft spaces and planner space, and I was just not feeling the whole shelvings, the whole boxed up units. Some of them were pretty, some of them were different, and I pictured myself having some of these furnitures at home, and I was just not, I liked some of the little features that some of these furnitures had, but I could not decide on any of these boxed up shelving units. I also ran into this gorgeous book, like a bookshelf corner, and I saw some possibilities of me bringing this at home and making it my own. But then again, the spaces in between, they were just like perfect for books, but maybe not so much for all the stuff that I had at home. And even though this was very pretty, I don't think it was for me. I saw some of these other bookshelves and I just passed on until I ran into this part of IKEA and I saw this amazing option. And then when I learned that I could actually build my own, I was like, okay, this is it, and we're going to start this project. I saw how they had put together some of them on the floor, but once my brain started going, I saw so many possibilities, and I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And every time I saw an item, I was like, yep, I could use this in my craft room. Yep, I could build this here. And I decided to sit down and build my storage from scratch. So I love that they have this option. You could use the software that you have here, and they can actually help you with the actual planning. They always have someone on staff that can help you if you have questions. So I created my space. I came home, I cleaned the space that I had planned for the furniture to be delivered at. I was shocked to learn that people that deliver your furniture are really not from IKEA. These are just third-party contractors that come and drop off your furniture. They could care less about everything. They just want to drop it off, have you sign your paper, and call it the day. They were completely careless with the furniture, and oh my, I was done from then on with them, not with IKEA. Well,
okay, so I had hired someone to help me, and the person just canceled on me. What time is it? It's 35 minutes before he had to be here, so he went and canceled. So now I'm stuck. I wasted my time, so now I have to go and hire somebody because there's no way that I'm gonna do this whole thing all by myself. It will take me a couple of days. Initially, I thought that I wanted to do it by myself, but it's a lot. And I wanted to do it fast, and I don't want this to be like a week's project, so I'm gonna go hire somebody else, and I am going to hopefully get the person to get this project started. So stay tuned. I know. Okay, so update, I was able to get somebody, and he was open. I'm lucky that he's open today. So he just texted to me that he's running 15 minutes late because because of traffic. So what I decided that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna have to like, I don't know, like I guess start putting categories in these so that when he comes and tells me, I'm just gonna follow his lead, because to be honest, I put like tiny furniture together, but I think this is really big. So, okay, let's do it. And I'm gonna actually, you know what? I should probably show you where, because this unit is gonna go on this bigger wall. It's not gonna be here, and then it's just gonna change the entire feel of the space. So I'm gonna show you the wall, and then I'm gonna start categorizing this whole thing. Okay? Let's do it. Okay, already I'm tired. You're gonna be watching these in like real fast mode, so you don't go through the pain of what it is to put this whole thing together, but know that these boxes are not feathers and they're really, really, really heavy. And I'm glad I hired somebody, because there's no way, but I guess I could do it, but still, it's a lot of work, so. Okay, let's get it done.
Well, this is Kevin. He did show up and I am grateful. Not right now, we are just moving furniture because we need a lot of space. I wanted to cover the floor because I didn't want my floors to be scratched. I also didn't want my furniture to be broken, so you will see me covering it up because we have these wood pieces and we are planning on just working on this space. We're going to put our pieces together here, and as we put it together, we are going to start putting it on the space that it is supposed to be put into. TaskRabbit is a service offered by IKEA when you opt out from paying them the money that they want up front, and TaskRabbit offers the same service for hundreds of dollars cheaper. I went for that option, and they only mention that to you when you opt out from their service. And of course, I always want to save me a couple of $100, so this is how I ended up having Kevin come over. And after that first person canceled on me 30 minutes before he needed to be at my place, Kevin turned out to be very helpful and very knowledgeable, but then again, it was one person, so I ended up helping Kevin putting a whole lot of things together, and it took a long time. There was a lot of pieces, a lot to do, and we just went to work. This is what happens when your friends volunteer to come and help you. It would be nice if they will come and actually help put it together, but as you can see, yeah.
Alright, you guys, this is my fourth attempt at trying to finish my wool unit. People have canceled on me. Callers came and tried to help me, but that didn't work. So hopefully today I get to finish this mess I have going on. I mean, I have tried to finish. I still have, the lighting has to go on. I have the trays that go in and out. They need to be put together. I try to finish as much as I can, but I'm tired. So Kevin is coming today, and hopefully today we can finish this whole thing, hopefully. The mess that I have going on in here, I can't. I mean, I've done a couple of things, like this part here. I put this together. I did that. I have all the drawers already put together. I still have some of the lighting. This is my lighting. This is the lighting, and it's gonna go on the top shelf right up there. I need the pull-out trays that come in and out of the unit. I cannot wait to have it all finished because I cannot deal with this mess at all.
Okay, this is the second time I had Kevin come over because of course we couldn't finish the first time around, and this second time was more difficult because it was after work. We both had things to do before getting to my house, and we just worked. We started putting together. This piece that you see me working on gave me the biggest headache because even though I followed their instructions, it was just not matching up. I ended up having someone else come from IKEA. I had to open up a ticket and say, okay, the drawers are not lining up. Can you please send someone and find out? The person actually came a couple of days later, unscrewed 2 screws.
This is day attempt number 4. IKEA came and the guy came and unscrewed 2 of my screws that I had put on there, and he called it a day. He didn't fix anything, he didn't help me finish it, and they're sending somebody else today to finish it. Hopefully they're just gonna put that together. I started putting my stuff on there, but it's not gonna stay like that because I just want this over and done with. So they're here. Oh, they're here.
So after yet another trip back to IKEA and many complaints and following up on the ticket that I had already opened previously, they sent this pair of their own people to come and finish what the third person should have finished when he came and never did. So these 2 turned out to be so helpful, and if I knew before having all that headache that having their people come to the house was going to be way easier, way more expensive of course, but way easier for me, it probably would have been finished that weekend that I had already planned. These 2, they came, they knew what to do, they laid it out. It looked like they did this forever, every single day, and it just turned out to be what I needed. If I were to do it all over again, I think I would have paid whatever $500 extra just to have people from them come over. And this is not to say that Kevin wasn't helpful. You know, he helped me, but it was only him. And then again, that first pair that I hired did that to me, so I was a little weirded out already. So if I had to do it all over again, yes, I would definitely paid whatever hundreds extra to have them come and finish it on time. So here's the finished product. I am so happy. I have spaces and have drawers and shelving units, and it's just what I wanted from the beginning. I wish it didn't take this long for me to get it, but this is it, and I am a very happy, crafty girl.